Want to see how I completed rush order in record time by using 2 EM1010s at the same time? Stay tuned. Today, we have this really cool project. An order that came in last minute. We have about 30 hoodies to make. They're made of towel material. They're for little kids for a birthday pool party. I have about 30 to go, so let me show you how to do the first one. We're gonna be hooping it using my Mighty Hoop 5x5 on this one with 2 pieces of tearaway 7x7 pre-cut squares. Lay your towel on the table, grab your 2 layers of tearaway 7x7 pre-cut pieces. Here we go, to make it easy on us. Make sure that you don't embroider on the back, so only grab the top layer. Put it to the edge of the hoop. Grab the top of the Mighty Hoop and let the magnet do the magic as always. Boom, there we go. Perfect, ready to go. On this one, we're gonna be using also 1 layer of water-soluble topper. And tip, to save money, if you place it on the edge, after you're done with 1 towel, you could always flip it and use the second half for the next towel. You know what? Now that I think about it, I got 30 towels to do. I'm gonna call in the cavalry. I'm gonna get my mentor, Miss Janet.
Hello, Patrick. What's going on here? What you got so many towels here for?
We got a last minute order, 30 towels for the kids' birthday pool party. You wanna help me? You do the girls, I'll do the boys?
I'll be glad to. Okay, we got all these towels to do with their names on them. Okay, I got the boys on one side and the girls on the other side. Patrick's going to do the boys, I'm going to do the girls. Now, Patrick, give me my hoop.
She's right, guys. But since I only got a 1 5x5 Mighty Hoop, I'm gonna give Miss Janet the 7x5. This is the perfect reminder that if you don't have 2 exact hoops, if you have any hoops at all that fit the project you're working on, it's okay to use them. Let's roll. These are the names of all the kids for this bulk order. I'm gonna copy to my clipboard, put this down, and in Ricoma, we're simply gonna go to the text tool, click, paste. If you look on the upper right corner, I'm actually gonna cut the rest of the names and only keep the first one. I'm gonna click apply, and because it's one of the girls, I'm gonna pick up a cool font. I like this one called Angelina. It's a nice script, and I'm gonna make it purple. Let's make it a cool lavender. Let's see what we got. I like this one over here. All right, excellent. I'm also gonna make sure that my name is on the 0 and 0 center position on the X and Y axis. Here we go. And I want the height of my font to be 1.1 inches because the script fonts actually embroider pretty small. So now, all I have to do is paste the rest of the names on this document until I have all of them, making sure that the height is the same for all of them at 1.1 inches height. Let me show you what we do. We go save as. We're gonna make a folder here, birthday pool party, and then another folder called girls. And we're gonna say all the girls' names in here, all right? The first one is gonna be Aitana, and we're gonna save it as a DST. Because I wanna write on my machine, this is gonna be a DST. Cool, we're finished making all the girls' names. We're gonna embroider twice or 3 times the ones that are repeated. And we're gonna go make the boys. So same thing, we're just gonna keep going, pasting the names. We're not gonna give the boys this cursive font. We're gonna go ahead and pick the army font. That's the one that I like for the boys. And we're done. All right, guys, I'm ready to embroider this one while Miss Janet preps and hoops the next one. All right, let's get the hoop into the machine, lag it up. Our design is already loaded. We're gonna flip it upside down and say okay. I already selected my B hoop and my thread is on needle number 1, which I want the gray color for the boys. Say okay. We're gonna be rolling at 600 stitches per minute and we're gonna enter embroidery more 2 trays. Beautiful. Grab your water-soluble topper, hold it in place, and go. All right, guys, we have our first towel out of 30. Since this is tearaway, it's easier to just rip it apart when it's on the hoop. Because it's water soluble, after you wash the towel, it will be completely invisible. Same thing for the back. It's tear away, but we're gonna take it out of the hoop for this one to be easier to tear apart. And go. Clean it up. And grab your jump cutters and make sure you get the jump stitches. Make sure you get all the jumps stitches out. Let's try to get the G here. Clean back and clean front. So we're doing so well. The kids are gonna love these towels and the parents are gonna be so proud. Miss Janet, are you ready to go? Let's get cracking. Hey guys, if you want to check out another cool way to do text, check out this video where I teach you how to digitize your own file and curve them perfectly around the brim of a sun hat.
Bling bling.
Hey guys, if you want to see another cool way that text can look on different surfaces and materials, check out this other episode where I teach you how to put it on fake leather, on glitter vinyl, on fuzzy felt, and on polyblend cotton. I'm going to leave you another link in the description below.
Bling bling.
Now, can we take these and deliver them to the children?
And then jump in the pool?
Yes.
You got it. Hey guys, remember, when you get a last minute bulk order like this, it is perfectly okay to call in the cavalry from reinforcement and finish the job in half the time. Also, if you love what we do here in the channel for you, please hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel to help us grow to 2,000, right, Miss Janet?
Yes.
And turn on the notification bell so that you'll always stay up to date with our latest episodes, because we have a world of creativity waiting for you right here at Ricoma Crafts. Until the next time.
Goodbye.